Hi, my name's Tori Norman and you're watching the Squire QuickBooks Quick Tip. Today's Quick Tip, the Open Windows list. So inside of QuickBooks we have the ability to multitask by having multiple windows open at the same time. So let's say that I'm in here entering a bill today, and all of a sudden the boss walks in and he wants to know what the income was for last month. So I open up my profit and loss. And then a customer calls, and now I've got to look up his balance. So I come in here to the customer center, and all of a sudden I've got all of these different windows open, and in order to get back to my original transaction, I'm going to have to close each of these windows individually by going up to the right hand corner and closing them. I see a lot of users doing that often in QuickBooks, but it's not necessary. That's what we have the Open Windows list for. So if I come over to my View menu and select Open Windows List, you'll see I now have a list of open windows off to the left hand side. And to toggle between all these different windows, I can simply click on them. So I can go back to my Enters Bill screen with just one click. And just to understand how the Open Windows list works, it's in a hierarchy from top to bottom, top being the one that's closest to the front and bottom being the one that's furthest in the back. Not that that really matters because you can still click around any of them. But you can see as soon as I click on something, it jumps to the top of the list because it's the window that's in front of the screen. Now, if you're using the new version of the user interface that came out 2013 and higher, you may see something that looks more like this. If you're using the left icon bar, then you can find the Open Windows list down at the bottom of your options in the left-hand bar, and you can simply click on that to get your Open Windows list and then click back on top to go back to your shortcuts. So that's the Open Windows list, and hopefully that will help you be a little more efficient multitasking inside of QuickBooks. And that's another QuickBooks Quick Tip from Squire. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube page to catch all of our QuickBooks tips. Or for more personalized help, you can contact our QuickBooks experts by calling 801-225-6900 or via email quickbooks@squire.com or by visiting our website www.quickbooksadvantage.com.